Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. Alright, so next stop is the SkyBridge Park. So I'll be going up that huge mountain, checking it out. Peace. Alright, so this is pretty surreal right now. So as you can see, I am on this, it's called the SkyLift, but it's like one of these little ski lift chair things. And I'm going up a mountain. I'm not sure which mountain this is, but it's actually pretty terrifying, to be honest. And the bad thing is I'm about to walk past like a bridge that's linking two mountains. So again, pretty terrifying. Plus I gotta go to the bathroom, so that's terrifying as well, because I don't know where the bathrooms are at or what the condition is. But here we are. So down there is actually pretty cool. You have a nice free flowing river, and this literally goes all throughout Gatlinburg. Whew. Almost dropped my mask. Pretty scary. So look at that view. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're literally almost at the top. As you can see, pretty high up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually getting a little scared now just because of how high we are, but I missed the bucket list, so it is what it is. But yeah, so that's the top of the mountain. Still got and then if you want a nice view, you got these rocking chairs to sit on. Now it's a little bit wet because of the rain, but I mean, look at that view. Alright, what is going on, people? So this is your boy Mr. Bucket List, and here we are at the SkyLift Park, the SkyBridge Park in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So as you can see, nothing but mountains and clouds so high, we're literally up in the clouds. See down there, the city's down there. And I'm about to walk across that bridge that links two different mountains. So let's do it. Peace. Alright, and this is the top of the mountain. Actually, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, people, so here we are at the Gatlinburg SkyBridge in Gatlinburg. Check it out. Alright, people, so I'm doing one of the scariest things I've ever done, which is walking over the Gatlinburg SkyBridge, literally over two mountains, and this thing is definitely got some shake to it. Oh my god. Thankfully there's not that many people on here, and I'm actually speed walking because I'm so scared, but look at the views. Just look at it. Oh my god. Man. Ugh. So this is how it looks over the edge.
Well, I need to turn quickly.
Gotcha. So this is actually the longest one of these type of bridges in, I think, North America, as they say. And of course there is a crowd of people waiting. I don't know what happened, but I think the guy's cleaning the glass that you can walk over. but that is terrifying. And then this is the view I have here of the bridge. As you can see, pretty high up on a mountain. It's your boy, Mr. Bucket List. Peace out. Okay. And then here goes that glass. Now I'm actually pretty scared because it's pretty wet out here and the guy has a squeegee to keep you from slipping, but still, that's pretty terrifying. Oh my god. That is crazy. Wow. Whoa, shoot. Oh boy. Alright people, so as you can see, here we are on the glass. So it's a sea standing over glass on a mountain on a bridge. Scary.
This part of it. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
Oh Lord, that was one of the. Oh, it's just getting worse. So on this side, for whatever reason, it shakes a whole lot more than it does. Oh, I gotta hurry up and get across. Oh God, this is so scary. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. So like I was saying, you all, this part, it gets really scary up here, so it kind of shakes back and forth because you're literally right at the connectors, and those things look scary. I'm holding on to the rail. Oh Lord, I might need a helicopter to get back down. I don't know if I can go back across this thing. But that's the views. It is beautiful. My goodness, is it beautiful. Alright people, and here we are at the top of the mountain.
Thank you.
Can you all see this view? Crazy. Beautiful. The rules, so no bouncing because you will fall off. It's just that simple. And then this is the top. It's a little bit busier than it was when I first got here. And then up here you have these little chairs for you to sit down and enjoy the view. And then this is how you get down. You have this skewer thing. So here we go. Alright, so now we are going down. And look at that view. Still got the mountains in the back. Really, really nice. So now I'm thinking about heading out to Anakista. So this was pretty cool. We'll see how Anakista is. So as you can see, you got more people coming up now. But still, it's not crazy busy like I've seen in other videos. It's nice and chill, nice and relaxed. And then this is the cable that they use and the mechanisms. Pretty cool. And then right here you have a better view of the river. So this river flows all throughout Gatlinburg, and it is just beautiful. Look at that. Now you go to theme parks and they try to recreate that, but that's real, ladies and gentlemen. And then this is the entrance. Now it's right beside this little weird, I don't know if it's a motel or what, but it's a little weird motel, and then you got Ripley's, believe it or not, and then some restaurants. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.